Regulatory operations today are not just complex, they are fragmented, time-consuming, and heavily dependent on manual coordination. Our regulatory automation platform changes that by bringing intelligence, structure, and end-to-end orchestration into a single unified experience. Let's begin with a simple sign-in. Right after login, we land on a centralized dashboard, a real-time operational command center. This gives us instant visibility into active workflows, recent documents, adverse events, product portfolio. And at the core, we have our AI-powered agents, purpose-built for regulatory excellence, Regulatory Dossier, CMC Documentation, IRB Workflows, Safety Narratives, Deficiency Responses, Labeling, and SPL. Each agent is designed to automate and accelerate specific regulatory functions while keeping full human oversight. Moving into the Products module, we see a structured, compliance-ready view of every product. Each product captures product name and code, therapeutic area, lifecycle status, sponsor details, complete audit trails. This ensures traceability, inspection readiness, and alignment with regulatory expectations. Now let's step into the Regulatory Dossier agent, where submissions are intelligently orchestrated. To create a new submission, we initiate a guided workflow consisting of 8 structured stages. Authority and lifecycle selection. We begin by selecting the regulatory authority. Next, we define the product lifecycle stage, covering early development, clinical trial authorization, marketing authorization, post-approval lifecycle. Let's proceed with marketing authorization. Modality and submission type. Here, the platform dynamically presents drug modalities, small molecules, biologics, devices. Selecting small molecule, we now choose the dossier type, generic drug, new drug. We proceed with an ANDA application, including relevant designation add-ons. Product details. Capture. At this stage, we enter detailed product information, product name, dosage form, route of administration, pharmaceutical equivalents, sponsor details, submission type. Data can be entered manually or populated through structured integrations, ensuring both flexibility and accuracy. Milestone planning and strategy. Now we move into milestone planning, which is a critical differentiator. The platform provides timeline planning and duration estimates, strategic roadmap covering development, CMC, and submission, task allocation to responsible teams. This transforms planning from static tracking into dynamic execution management. Review and confirmation. In the final stage, we get a complete submission overview, total documents required, milestone breakdown, strategy development, CMC submission. Readiness summary. With one click, we create and launch the workspace. Automated Dossier Workspace. Once launched, the system automatically generates a fully structured regulatory workspace. We now have access to Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 5. Each module includes detailed subsections, predefined document checklists. Clicking into any section reveals exactly what documents are required, ensuring standardization and completeness. Intelligent document management and integration. Uploading documents is no longer a manual bottleneck. The platform supports direct document uploads, AI-generated content, linking from internal document repositories, integration with external systems like network drives, SharePoint, business systems such as QMS, ERP, CRM, LIMS, document management, etc. This creates a connected document ecosystem, not isolated silos. Progress tracking, validation, and AI insights. As documents are added, the platform continuously tracks progress across modules, workflow steps and activity logs, team-level contributions. In parallel, the validation engine provides technical validation checks, AI-driven impact analysis, submission readiness indicators. This ensures quality, compliance, and early risk detection. Milestone tracking and workflow visibility. The milestones view gives complete visibility into timeline progress, task completion, delays or dependencies. Every action reflects in real time, ensuring teams stay aligned and accountable. Review, collaboration, and version control. Once documents are uploaded, they move into a structured review workflow. Teams can submit documents for review, request changes, and approve or iterate. All changes are tracked, and updates are reflected directly in milestones, ensuring full auditability. Continuous document completion. Across modules. The same process continues across all modules, all subsections, ensuring every required document is uploaded, reviewed, approved before submission readiness. Submission readiness and status monitoring. The submission readiness view provides a consolidated status of all modules, document completion, in-progress activities. This gives leadership a clear, real-time picture of submission preparedness. Final submission flow. Finally, selecting Continue Product, we move into the last stage, Dossier finalization, date and title configuration, final review. At this point, the submission is fully structured, validated, and ready for dispatch. What you've just seen is not just a workflow, it's a fully orchestrated regulatory ecosystem. By combining AI-powered automation, structured workflows, seamless integrations, real-time visibility, we enable organizations to accelerate submission timelines, reduce compliance risks, improve cross-functional collaboration, and achieve true regulatory operational excellence. This is the future of regulatory operations, intelligent, connected, and built for scale. Contact us directly. With Mushroom Solutions, make life better.